Welcome to the top best. The best charcuterie recipes is probably one of the most visually stunning and delicious culinary experiences you can create. This video will guide you through the art of crafting the perfect charcuterie board, from selecting the finest cured meats and cheeses to arranging them with artistic flair. Get ready to elevate your entertaining game and impress your guests with a stunning spread that's as delicious as it is beautiful. Number 5. Taste of Home Boards, Platters and More, 219 Recipes. Are you ready to elevate your entertaining game? This book is packed with 219 recipes. It's perfect for creating stunning charcuterie boards, snacks, and drinks. Inside, you'll discover a wide variety of recipes. From simple snacks to impressive platters, there's something for every occasion. This book will help you become the host with the most. Impress your guests with beautifully arranged charcuterie boards. It also includes delicious snacks and refreshing drinks. This book will guide you every step of the way. This book is part of the Taste of Home series. It's designed to make entertaining easy and enjoyable. Get ready to create memorable moments with friends and family. With 219 recipes, you'll never run out of ideas. It's your go-to guide for any gathering. Get ready to impress with this fantastic collection. What we like. This book offers a vast collection of recipes, ensuring you'll never run out of ideas. It's perfect for any gathering, from casual get-togethers to formal parties. If you're hosting a large event and want a variety of options, this is the one for you. What people say. It's packed with fantastic ideas and creative inspiration for building the most beautiful and delicious charcuterie boards. The step-by-step instructions are easy to follow, and the tips for pairing different cheeses, meats, and accompaniments were incredibly helpful. The book offers not just recipe suggestions but also ideas for themes, like seasonal boards or ones focused on specific ingredients. Number 4. On Board's Cookbook, Simple Recipes for Every Gathering. Are you looking for fresh ideas for your next gathering? This cookbook is filled with simple and inspiring recipes. It's perfect for sharing delicious food with friends and family. This cookbook offers a variety of recipes suitable for any occasion. Whether it's a casual get-together or a special celebration, it has you covered. You'll find something to impress your guests. Inside, you'll discover easy-to-follow instructions and beautiful photos. It's designed to make cooking and entertaining a breeze. Get ready to create memorable moments. The recipes are designed to be straightforward and accessible. It focuses on fresh ingredients and simple techniques. It's all about enjoying good food and good company. This book provides creative ideas to elevate your culinary experience. It encourages you to experiment and have fun in the kitchen. It's a source of inspiration for every cook. What we like. This cookbook focuses on simplicity, making it ideal for both novice and experienced cooks. It provides inspiration for creating beautiful and delicious boards for any occasion. If you are looking for easy-to-follow recipes that still impress, this is a great choice. What people say. The beautiful photo illustrations are perfect for those new to creating cheese boards. The author includes recipes and explains her knowledge on different cheeses and foods that can be used to make charcuterie boards. Highlights ordinary ingredients that would be available in most grocery stores and puts them together in very attractive ways. Number 3. Easy Charcuterie Boards, Recipes and Pairings. Today, we're diving into the world of easy charcuterie boards. This book offers a simple guide to creating beautiful and delicious arrangements for any occasion. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced hosts. Inside, you'll find inspiration for various events. Whether it's a casual get-together or a formal celebration, this book provides ideas to impress your guests. It helps you create stunning boards effortlessly. Discover a variety of recipes and pairing suggestions. From cheeses and meats to fruits and nuts, it guides you through selecting the perfect combinations. This ensures a delightful experience for everyone. The book focuses on simplicity without compromising on taste. It provides easy-to-follow instructions and tips for creating visually appealing boards. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create something so impressive. Ready to elevate your entertaining game? Grab your copy of this book and start creating charcuterie boards that will wow your friends and family. It's the perfect resource for any host. What we like. This book guides you through the art of arranging your charcuterie and suggests perfect pairings. It caters to any event, big or small. If you appreciate the visual appeal of a well-crafted board and want to learn how to pair flavors, you should consider this one. What people say. The recipes and details are amazing. She uses them at family gatherings. Looks really nice. Number 2. Graze Cookbook, inspiration for small plates and meals. This cookbook is your guide to creating stunning charcuterie boards. It offers inspiration for small plates and meandering meals, perfect for any occasion. Inside, you'll find a wealth of recipes and ideas. It's designed to help you elevate your dining experience with delicious and visually appealing food. Explore a variety of recipes, from simple snacks to elaborate spreads. It makes entertaining effortless and enjoyable. This book encourages you to experiment with flavors and textures. It will inspire you to create your own unique culinary masterpieces. Get ready to impress your guests with the art of charcuterie. It's the perfect companion for anyone who loves to entertain and enjoy good food. What we like. This cookbook encourages a relaxed and enjoyable dining experience with its focus on small plates. It's perfect for creating a leisurely meal with friends and family. If you like the idea of grazing and savoring your food, this book is for you. What people say. The sleek hardcover looks stunning on her kitchen shelf, and the 200+ recipes blend classic comfort foods with modern twists. Each recipe has clear instructions, ingredient tips, and gorgeous photos. Great ideas for appetizers and charcuterie boards that aren't basic. It has nice pics and, most importantly, recipes that you can actually make and want to eat. Number 1. Jarcuterie Grazing Cups, Appetizers and Snacks. Are you tired of the same old appetizers? This is the perfect solution. It's designed to elevate your snacking experience. Make your holiday gatherings extra special. It's a convenient and delicious way to impress your guests. Celebrating something? This is the perfect addition. It adds a touch of elegance and fun to any event. Sometimes you just want a tasty treat. It's great for a quick snack or a fun treat any day of the week. Discover the joy of effortless entertaining. This product makes it easy to create beautiful and delicious grazing experiences. What we like. This book offers a unique take on charcuterie with its focus on individual grazing cups. It's perfect for holidays, special occasions, or just for fun. If you want a creative and convenient way to serve appetizers, you should definitely consider this. What people say. This book is jammed-packed with ideas, recipes, and inspiration for making individual charcuterie. Making takeaway singular sweet or savory snack cups is a great alternative to making, and refreshing, a charcuterie board. Jarcuterie gives you tons of ideas for the occasion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.